Okay, let's do a full mod list of the 2016 Passat 1.8T American version. Lowered on Solo-werks S1 coilovers. 18 by 8 Advantis Felto wheels. Painted brake calipers. CTS turbo intake. Burger tuning JB4. Rear muffler delete with really homemade, crappy straight pipe. And now it is nothing but cosmetic only. Some wasted time painting an engine cover. These wheels were actually silver, but I curbed one of them really bad, so I painted them all black and sanded them down. Peeled off the chrome trim from the doors. Vinyl wrap on all the chrome window trim. Spoiler king, duck bill with a split. Painted poorly by myself. Chrome delete on the bumper and grille. Silly custom plate in the window. I mean, not really a mod, but I pulled off the fabric battery cover and peeled the stickers off the battery that I put in there because I just didn't like all that. And besides that, there is some budget AutoZone LED lighting kit in here. We've got an OBD2 mod. Which is cool enough. And then we've got the gauge sweep activated via OBD2, OBD11 tool. We also have the badge delete on this side. Car's dirty, obviously. And badge delete on this side. And I think the last thing would be that I paint matched this chrome trim piece myself. And there is no more chrome